In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic text effects in DaVinci Resolve using the Write On feature. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just beginning, this tutorial will guide you through adding a sleek, professional finish to your projects with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First off, we need to open up DaVinci Resolve. Once you've launched the program, you'll want to navigate over to the Effects library. Here is where all the magic happens and where we find the tools to create our text effect. Look for the category titled Titles under the Effects panel. This may appear a bit overwhelming with all the options listed, but don't worry. We'll break it down step by step. After selecting Titles in the search bar above, type in Text Plus, then drag and drop the Text Plus element onto your video timeline. This component is key for creating advanced text animations like the Write On effect. You should see the Text Plus clip appear in your timeline track. Click on it to enable the inspector, which is where we'll focus next. Within the inspector panel, you'll find many editable properties of the Text Plus effect. Scroll down until you find the Write On option. This feature will essentially allow your text to appear on screen as if it is being written in real time, adding a dynamic and custom feel to your project. To begin setting up the Write On effect, first ensure that the Write On value is set to 0 at the start point. This step is crucial as it will make sure that text initially doesn't appear on the screen. Now click on the keyframe button next to Write On. Doing this allows you to mark the specific starting point for your animation. This step creates a controlled transition from an invisible state to the full display of your text. Next, move your timeline cursor to where you want your text animation to end. It's helpful to plan how long you want the text to write on your screen, as timing can greatly impact the readability and engagement of your video. Once you've settled on the endpoint, adjust the Write On slider until your text is fully visible. Continue to test this animation by playing the timeline back to see how it looks and tweaking the start and end points if necessary. Once you're satisfied, your text effect is complete and ready for export or further enhancement. And there you have it. Your text now smoothly writes onto the screen, lending a polished touch to your project. This effect works well for introducing various subjects or adding professional-grade graphics to your video. With these easy steps, you now have the power to impress your audience with a sophisticated, captivating text overlay. Keep exploring, experimenting, and refining your skills with DaVinci Resolve to push your video editing to new heights. Happy editing!